Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the surface. This avoids short circuits. Once done, detach the type cover and put it aside. Next, secure yourself with an ESD strap because tiny electronics are sensitive. This prevents static damage. Use a suction cup to lift the screen edge slightly, then slide plastic picks to release clips. Make sure to keep screws organized by location as you remove them. The goal here is safe, steady access to the internal chassis so you can reach the battery without forcing components. You'll continue by removing the midframe screws and lifting the cover to expose the battery and connectors. Once exposed, identify the battery cable and use a plastic spudger to pry the connector straight out. This prevents board damage. If the battery is glued, heat the back lightly with a hair dryer or heat gun at low setting to soften adhesive, then pull tabs slowly and evenly. Make sure to keep pressure off nearby fragile components. After the battery clears, inspect seating and contacts before preparing the replacement. You fit the replacement battery in the compartment and route the cable exactly as the original, then press the connector firmly into its socket. Proper seating ensures charging. Once connected, reattach the midframe and reinstall screws in their original positions to avoid stress. Reconnect the type cover and plug in the charger. Power on and confirm battery recognition and charge rate. If things go wrong, first reseat the battery connector, then try another known good charger. If still failing, check for bent pins or software battery report errors before seeking professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.